Hi everybody, it's me, Beth Hobart. So I am so excited to show this to you. I've been coordinating with my very best friends for over 15 years for Quest Incorporated, for the Quest Adopt a Home parties. And I want to show you what's right inside my doorway, because the gifts have been coming and coming and coming. Quest Incorporated is a local nonprofit organization, and they basically help developmentally disabled people in our community, from little kids with autism to adults with autism to severely disabled to Down syndrome. And back in 2001 or so, somebody from Quest was saying, hey, we have these homes that we'd like to have adopted for the holidays. These are people that don't really have families, or support. And would I like to gather a group together, adopt a home, throw a party, get everything donated, and just give them a holiday party so they feel special and supported during the holidays. So this year we can't do the actual event part, the party part, but we can still do the gift giving part. So because of all of you, this is happening this year. So what we're doing is we are basically doing a big gift drop-off tomorrow, but tonight is the prep. We're gonna be wrapping, we're gonna be separating everybody out so that way we know who gets what, and we make sure everybody gets the same number of gifts. We are gonna basically put all the gifts in these with big tags with the person's name on them. Basically, we open up our trunks and the staff comes out and delivers all of the gifts. So it's going to be contactless, and it's really the best way that we could have made this happen this year. So things are moving and shaking here at the Hobart house. Most of my team is assembled, and we're trying to get all the presents organized for tomorrow night, gift drop off. So we've got Lillian over here. She's making labels for the giant bags of gifts that we're going to hand out. We've got Barbara over here, gift wrapping. And then we have Tanya and Emily, and they're working on getting everything organized. So we usually put Post-it notes on the floor and basically then organize it per person, per home. Susie and Marissa Bell put together all of these. These are stockings for everybody. So then we're gonna add these to the bags, almost like, just goodie bags, like stocking stuffers. So they have something fun, in addition to their gifts.
Thank you for letting us do this again.
Nice to meet you.
Oh my God, this is amazing. I love it. Oh my God.
Merry Christmas, you guys.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh my God! This is so awesome!
He's a cute little snowman.
That's right. He thinks to you.
Yeah.
Just wanted to say a heartfelt thank you. I am truly grateful for you, for your support every single year. Couldn't do this without you, and your generosity just warms my heart. I am overwhelmed and I am super excited. Thank you so much.